bring you to one of the tourist attractions in Hungary, the Budapest Zoo. Let's go! You can easily get to here by public transport from Hero Square. The price of the admission ticket here for an adult is 3,300 foreign, and if you are with your student ID, you can get 25% off. Let's go to the information counter and get the map. You can check the time schedule of different exhibitions and shows in this map, and also the way to get to the location that you want to visit. There's a Japanese garden with nice environment and view where you can see many different kind of bonsai display in here.